becoming a favorite of many people. They asked me where I'm going to read this tonight, so it's one of my aunt's favorites. And it's about everybody. Everybody has this pimp in common. So I'm just going to start. Okay, the name of this piece is Bitch, You Better Have My Money. I have a pimp. His first name Bill, last name Collector. And in the beginning, he said he could make my life better. Offering me credit cards and cell phones galore. I spent so much money, he made me his bottom whore. Now he got me on the track, constantly calling me, asking when he gonna get his money back. Bitch, you better have my money. Come up on some cash, or I'll lower your credit score on that ass. Bitch, you better have my money, come rain, sleet, or snow. You better find some way to make my dough. It doesn't matter what's going on in your life, or death in the family, or if your bank account ain't right. He doesn't care. He doesn't care if you have recently become unemployed. You better fill that financial void. If his money's not in on time, he'll pick up a phone and drop it down, letting you know that your payment is late, and then he'll charge you a higher interest rate. Bitch, you better have my money. Not a bit, not some, but all my cash. Because if you don't, I'll put my boy, the collection agency, on that ass. Bitch, you better have my money, and I do mean today, or I'll take all your worldly possessions away. There's another pimp trying to steal me away, and his name is bankruptcy. And his message and bills is the same. Bitch, you better have my money.